PAQ 101. Hi, and welcome to PAQ 101. On today's show, I'll be reviewing a course called Voiceover Coaching for Beginners. This course runs on a website called Of Course. The instructor is Steve Hudson, who himself was a broadcaster and presenter for the BBC. I will share the link in the description box so you can decide if this is for you. First, let me tell you what I liked about this course. There were many useful tips on how to sound when you read various scripts, whether it's an ad or stories. Plus, there's an offer for a diploma if you sound good as a voiceover artist. The one time he did respond to me, he said I was good, but I was overdoing it. So unfortunately, I didn't get the diploma. You have to sound natural and not overact. As instructed, I downloaded and practiced the scripts. It was interesting and quite fun to do. Luckily, I paid the discount price of £10 British. Recording myself has helped me to be more clear on audio and sound a bit more professional. Later on, I'll give you a sample of what I have learnt. Now, what I didn't like about the course is I cannot access it anymore. And when I signed up, it was supposed to be lifelong access, which other educational websites offer, like Udemy. I have tried for the offer of the diploma for this course, but I only got one very late response from the instructor who gave me feedback on my work. Unfortunately, since then I have not heard from him. I would have highly recommended this course because it has some very useful tips and pointers, and it's a very clear course and easy to follow, but because of what I've experienced, I'll probably give it a 3-star. And now, on a lighter note, I will give you an example of what I learnt. So you will see the variations of my voice when I do this ad, which I actually have made up myself. So here goes. Need an escape away from the chaos and stress? Book now, but not with me. Look for details online yourself.